Welcome to this overview where we're going to explore the innovative features and functionalities of the Aladdin MOSAIC tube. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or content creator, this versatile lighting solution is bound to elevate your work to the next level. Let's see what we have here in the kit. By the way, in this overview, we're having a look at the smaller Aladdin MOSAIC Tube 4, but the bigger version, the Aladdin MOSAIC Tube 8, works exactly the same. In this sturdy carry bag, you'll find the inflatable MOSAIC tube and the flexible LED panel with both the power cable and the cable that connects to the controller. Next, there is an additional bag in case you want to transport your MOSAIC tube in an already inflated state. In order to mount your MOSAIC tube, let's say on a light stand or a boom, we provide this stand adapter with a Velcro plate attached to it for a quick mount of the fixture. For better control of the direction of the light output, there are two skirts included, which you can attach using Velcro on either side of the Aladdin MOSAIC tube. Finally, there's this pouch that contains all the cables and the AC unit, the controller, a V-mount plate clamp and a corresponding V-mount plate, and finally an electronic pump to inflate the Aladdin MOSAIC tube. The setup process is super easy and quite fast. Just lay out the tube in front of you, insert the flexible LED panel with the LEDs facing towards the inside of the tube, and close the Velcro patches. Next, we're going to inflate the Aladdin MOSAIC tube using this electric air pump. Simply plug it into the tube like this. Note here, the second screw cap needs to be on, otherwise the air will go out as soon as you stop pumping air. After the tube is fully inflated, I'm going to connect the power cable to the MOSAIC tube, and I'll also attach the Velcro stand adapter and finally mount the fixture to this boom here. Finally, let's plug in the wired controller unit and fire this light up. For advanced lighting control, we offer a grid that you can easily attach to the Aladdin MOSAIC tube using these Velcro strips here. Here is the light output without the grid, and there with the grid attached. Now with the Aladdin MOSAIC tubes, you have a variety of controlling options. The wired controller, DMX, Lumen radio, or our free all-in app. For your own safety, please note the following. The Aladdin MOSAIC tube and the control units are not waterproof, and it can get a little hot while operating for a longer time. So if you're taking advantage of the endless mounting possibilities and the small weight of the Aladdin MOSAIC tube, don't put any sort of tape onto the LEDs. We hope you enjoy using our brand new Aladdin MOSAIC tube and can't wait to see what you're going to light with it. Follow us on social media to keep up with innovations and new products.